What's up, everyone? Today we're going to do a tornado siren video. There's a tornado siren right there. It will go off in 1 more minute. It'll be super loud. If you have headphones on, turn them down because they're going to be super.
Leave 2,000 likes for this video.
The tornado siren should go off in like 30 seconds.
Yeah,
It's kind of in Wilmington, that's probably like that way or that way.
Mom, you think I could do it? You think I could
But
make
there's
it?
a tornado siren.
Don't forget
It's
to...
supposed to turn.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
It's supposed to
and
turn.
join. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscribe. Or, I don't know how.
Like button and subscribe button.
Yes, and make sure you
It should
hit
go
100 bells. 100 subscribers today. So please
Okay.
subscribe if you want
It should go off any second.
Yes. If you guys want to see us, go ahead and subscribe. In 3, 2, 1. Good, you subscribe. We can.
There it is, going off. Turning around, Mom. Tornado siren went off for 1 minute.
Was it as loud as you thought?
I want to put this on YouTube, Mom.
It was pretty loud, wasn't it?
Yep. A little bit too.